Hello everyone, this is a demo video for my UC Riverside CS120B final project on the Atmega 1284 microcontroller. I have three main features: the LED matrix, the joystick, and game logic, plus using the EEPROM to save your high score. Here we have a menu where you can choose to start the game and view your high score. And the goal of this game is to move the joystick in the direction of the arrows that will cascade down this LED matrix. And the trick is to wait for the arrows to be positioned under the red bar that will appear. And we should also ignore the boxes that will roll down. Those will lose us points if we do anything. So let's get this game started. Oh, it also plays music. Alright, so let's see my high score. And this high score is saved in the EEPROM, so if I turn this device off completely and then turn it back on, high score is still there. And we can erase the high score if you want to. And it will give us a confirmation. It's been reset. Thanks for watching.